In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce hierarchical relationship field. This is a valuable skill for anyone looking to establish a detailed and organized relationship structure within Salesforce, particularly when dealing with accounts and their related objects. Let's dive right into the process. First, navigate to your Salesforce home. This is where you'll start setting up your hierarchical relationship field. The home page is your main dashboard, offering a bird's-eye view of your Salesforce setup. From here, locate and click on the Quick Settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol in the upper right corner of your screen. This will open up a menu with several administrative options. Next, select Open Advanced Setup. This option allows you to access more complex configuration settings, which is where you'll be creating your relationship field. Once in the Advanced Setup, look for Object Manager and click on it. The Object Manager is crucial in Salesforce as it lets you manage and navigate to different objects within your system. Here, you'll need to choose the object label for which you wish to create the hierarchical field. This label corresponds to the specific object you want to associate with the hierarchical field. Once selected, proceed by clicking on Fields and Relationships. This section is where you'll define new fields or modify existing ones. Now, click on New to initiate the process of creating a new field. From the available field types, choose Lookup Relationship. This option is crucial because a hierarchical relationship is essentially a specialized lookup relationship linking one object to itself. With the lookup relationship chosen, click Next. This will lead you to the Related To section. Here, it's essential to specify the object you're relating to your primary object. Make sure to select the appropriate choice as this will define the overall structure of your relationship. After selecting the related object, click Next again. Now it's time to define your field. Begin by inputting the field label. The field label is how others in your organization will see and refer to this field, so make it informative and relevant. Likewise, input the field name. This name is typically more technical and used within the system code. Having set up the labels and names, proceed by clicking Next once more. In this step, you might need to adjust visibility settings. This determines which profiles in your organization can access the field. Make decisions based on your organization's security needs. Continue by clicking Next, again to review your settings. It's always a good idea to double-check everything for accuracy and coherence. Finally, click Save to confirm your hierarchical relationship field. And there you have it. Your Salesforce hierarchical field is now set up and ready to optimize your organizational relationships. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit any parts of this video as needed, and happy Salesforce managing.